I go to the question answer hour, I want to answer few questions on yesterday's Upantimam. Upantimam is something that I have to answer for yesterday. Upantimam can be split into two ways. One is a Tatpurusha Pradi Tatpurusha Samasa. There you can say Upantima Kaksha, Upantimam Vakyam, Upantimaha Grantaha. All these things we can tell. That is Pradi Tatpurusha Samasa. If you tell it as Antimasya Samipam, then it becomes Avyayi Bhava Samasa. Then it has got a different connotation. So Upantimam, last but one. Upantima Kaksha is a correct prayoga. What I told initially was correct. Okay, with this we will go for the questions. Prachi, you have questions?
Yes, sir.
Question
Sir,
related to the
I have
content.
a question that uh, uh, um, if we are studying a text and let us say we are doing this analysis and we are stuck that okay, we don't know one of the krudanta or something, is there a way, how can we check whether we are like what kind of krudanta etc is there? Is there a way to do that?
So the way to do that is first to study the. So let me come back to that
Master.
presentation. This is for example, you are studying a text, and while doing the granthadenam, you are stuck. So ideally, if kridanta, if you are studying, you have to go through the dhatus, you have to do the rupas first for at least about 16 to 17 pratyas, and then after you do the rupas, and then only if you go to the grantha, you will have a basic understanding. There may be some special prayogas which you may get stuck. The way to go through that is go to dictionary kosha.sanskrit.today and type
So,
the word. You will get to know the pratyaya, whether it's a krit pratyaya, tadita pratyaya, etc. You'll get to know the pratyaya.
so the
The,
dictionaries will give the correct pratyaya for the
yes, yes,
krudanta, isn't it? Okay,
yes.
okay.
The kosha.sanskrit.today, that
Okay,
that website will give
okay,
for you to understand that what it is.
okay.
But later, if you how it is used and some extra knowledge related to Vyakarna, you have to learn the Shastra. That then
Okay.
you will really understand what it is.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any other questions related to today's class? And Amrit Patel, let me what? Maybe you have to come near
One
to the
second.
machine. You have to come near the machine.
Sir, one second.
What is your question?
Sir, now you can hear.
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Sir, I sent test, sir.
Okay, Dhanyavada.
Okay, sir. Dhanyavad.
Vijaya
Ram,
Hetirajan,
Ram,
what?
Ram, sir.
Yes, Vijaya Hetirajan, what is your question?
Gee, actually, I'm learning Sanskrit for the 11 years, but not going into that properly. Ashtadhyayi, each and every sutram, it has to be explained by somebody, and also Amara Koshava. How to find out Lingam. Vachanam, no problem. Lingam is important. No? So these three things I wanted to get accustomed completely in a
Hmm.
very crystal clear way. But I have completed all the exams. What are the board exams you shown in the Karapa slides? I have gone through everything. I have completed also. Only Chittiru is pending. Chittir Kovida and Vidya Bhushan. These two things are pending. Now I am started learning Kadambari. My thing is that I'm not very well versed in deep way. Just one boy asked a question, no, how many letters are there in Mantri?
Oh, in the word
Mantri,
mantri.
4 letters.
Hmm.
No? Ma, in, it, ri, Mantri, 4 letters.
Hmm.
And altogether in Sanskrit, 64 letters.
Hmm.
So there are so many things. Navaratram or Strilingam Navaratrihi. There are so many kleshah asti. एतत् सर्वं सम्यक्तया अवगन्तुम् इच्छामि एव. किं करणीयं जि एतत् विषये?
This is the path which I have shown. You are already in the path. You are already coming to my Ashtadhyayi class. There is an Amara Kosha class for Prathama Kanda which I have already conducted. You can refer to the recordings. So I
I
think
have
you are
also
on.
participated in that. Amarakosha, I have also
So
finished the
you
first
are.
part.
So you are in the right track. Then why do you worry? Don't worry. You are in the right track. The fact that you have to learn everything at once is not possible. If you think that I want to be an
No,
expert
no, no.
next year
No, no,
or
it's
next
impossible,
month,
sir.
it is impossible. One janma is not enough. One
Yes,
birth is
yes.
not enough for mastering Sanskrit. Multiple janmas is required to master Sanskrit. That much I can say.
I know it is ocean, sir. One
Yes.
cannot be fulfilled all these things, but let me learn slowly, sir. Okay,
You are
Dhanyavad.
you are already in the right track. That is what I can say. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Bahu Dhanyavad, Vijay.
MC Sriram.
Namo Namaha. Did you say that on the 16 topics that you have taught that you are going to be conducting some detailed classes again on some of them or on many of them?
Some of them
I
we
don't.
will conduct. For Kridanta, already Soumya Krishnapur has conducted.
Yes,
For Vibhakti, she has conducted.
right.
For 2-3 topics, she has already conducted.
Samasa
And
also, she has completed.
Samasa also she conducted.
She has
Right,
conducted. So
right,
there is a Samasa tool of Yoma also, which you can go through.
right,
So
right,
for 3 topics already you have. For the other
right.
topics,
Are you
we will be
thinking
doing.
about doing that?
Yeah, we will eventually we have to do because that is what is our work. So
Okay,
we will do that. But
okay,
when etc. we don't know. We
okay.
will have to put together all the resources for doing that.
Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. Annapurna Nori.
Ram Mahoday.
Ah,
Before I ask my question, please don't think that your teaching has to do something with our test scores, because
oh,
it's
that I will
our
never think.
part that we have to study more.
Mhm.
That's what I realized. I did like so silly mistakes. I have to go. So next, uh, almost maybe 45-50 days, I am going to watch each and every video, and then I am going to do each and every abhyasa and then project work, and then only I'm going to do something else. So that's one thing. The second thing is, Mahadev, like, when is our exam? Have you decided on that?
It will be say tomorrow. I will announce that officially
Okay.
because some people have left. But I am thinking of May end, say after 1 month.
Okay. Okay.
Say May 30th, 31st. It will be an exam, and the way it will be conducted is we will all be coming into a Zoom meeting or a platform like this, and the question paper, which is the link, will be shared, and you will be given more time, not half an hour or something. You will be given at least 2 hours time, 2 hours or 2.5 hours time, wherein you will answer uh, the questions.
Uh,
It will be a multiple choice questions only.
okay.
No oral exam is to be conducted for this. It will be a multiple choice written exam for this course, and it will be say we will give 2 to 3 hours. So in case you are unable to join the first hour, you can come a little bit late, but still you will be able to complete within 1 hour. But the
Okay.
slot available will be for 3 hours, and it will be open, and we will all be present. That is, I will be present, and some more people will be present while you are answering. If you have
Okay.
any doubts on the question or anything, you can ask, and you can quickly answer your test. I won't tell
Okay.
the answer, but you can answer it. That is how the test is going to be conducted. I will
Okay.
announce that tomorrow, and it
Mhm.
will be probably we can keep it as May 31st, Monday.
Okay. Other thing is, Mahoday, we have multiple choice, this Google form quizzes for each topic available. Is there a way
Ah,
we can take repeatedly?
I think it is now you can take. I think.
We can
Let
take.
me check.
Okay.
Let me check that. But you can send me a mail asking for this one. But normally, I think till May 31st, we will not make it repeated. I think I don't know what they have done.
Oh,
What?
okay. Okay.
Because we want to take that in the scoring and the grades. So that is why maybe it may not have been activated. But after May 31st, when the scoring and the grades come together, we will
Mhm.
probably again re-allow those, reopen those for multiple times,
Okay.
taking the exam multiple times.
Okay. Dhanyawad,
So,
Mahoday.
So now almost just because you raised that point, I want to say that there are tests for most of the topics are put there in the course page. We might have not received a mail because we have not sent the mail, because our staff are some of them are not well and they are at home and etc. So Tatpurusha Samasa 11A we have completed. 11B is Bahuvrihi, Dvandva and Aveyi Bhava. 12 is Ekashesha, small test, 25 marks. Karakam is also 25 marks, small test. 3 Pratyaya test is already given.
I think 14th is not given.
14th is under progress. Taddita is not given. Taddita will come. So Taddita test will come, and these are the tests which are already available. Just kindly take these tests so that you are very confident. For the last test, it will be very useful. If you have taken these tests, then the mistakes that you would have made here, you would have got it yourself corrected, and your final exam score will drastically improve if you do these tests and exercises.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is the suggestion, and that is why we are giving 1 month time from today for enabling you to prepare well and practice well. For those who want to practice and really give this a good effort, I think this is a time. 1 month you can study these things. So I have analyzed the statistics, how many hours of videos are there, what is there, everything I have analyzed. Tomorrow I will show all those things. So I have analyzed that it can be easily done in about 15 to 20 days if there is really a seriousness. Same way, 1.5 hours if you sit, in 15 to 20 days you can finish in half that number of classes you can finish it. Say 1.5 hours to 2 hours if you sit per day, you can do it.
Astu Mahadev, Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawadaha. Nagaratnam Bhagini, you have any question?
Mahodaya. Kridanta exam paryantam aham samapitavati Mahodaya. Agami saptage anya exam I will do Mahodaya.
Avashyam, it is available. Don't worry. You can do later. No problem.
Astu Mahodaya, Dhanyawad. Kimartam ityukte पठनानन्तरमेव तत् साध्यं महोदय तदैव.
So after you study, you have to do the exercises and then take the test. That is how the process.
अस्तु महोदय. धन्यवादः.
So these are the questions. I think we will stop here for today. Tomorrow, please don't miss the class. We will start exactly at 5:30 tomorrow. And tomorrow the class may go up to 8 o'clock because of the feedback and other things. So people who want to give feedback, it is a voluntary feedback. So what we will do is I will make you a panelist, and after I make you a panelist, you can actually show your video and tell about the course, so that I also see you. I get the opportunity of seeing you also, which is one of the main things. As a guru, I should recognize you by face, apart from the voice and the email, etc. If I see you, I will feel very happy. Let me see if we can do that. And the time limit for the testimonial or the feedback is, if it is less than 1 minute, it is good. If everybody starts giving speeches, it will not be appropriate. Focus on the main point that you want to tell. It can go up to 2 minutes, but not greater than 2 minutes. That is something which I request for everybody. Thank you very much.
Mahodaya, I just want to make this is Sriram. I had posted a question on the question answer panel. Just for if somebody can send me an email regarding that, that will be fine. That's all I wanted.
Tomorrow I will talk about that in the class itself. In the last class, we will talk about it tomorrow.
Very well. Dhanyawad.
Ramesh Reddy, hope your presentation is available for me to listen again. Yeah, all these presentations will be available. Dhanyawadaha.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Dhanyawad.
Megha Bhagini, shall I close the course? Close the meeting?
Sir, do after the class also that the test.
If it is available, do it, no problem. So if somebody has not finished the test, you can do it after the class also. You save the link and you do it. I hope you save the link, Rohanji.
Yes.
You have the link saved in your browser. Okay. So you can take the test afterwards also, provided you have saved the link from the chat box. So if people want to do the test after the class, you can do it. Ideally, If it is available, you can do it, but you make sure you have copied the link, because the link will be uploaded, etc. This presentation will be uploaded by evening only. So I would request you to take the link. Where is the link? Once again, Amoga, can you send the link? I am not seeing the link in the chat box.
It's in the chat box, Mahoday.
It is
Very
there.
first at the top.
At the top. Okay.
Yeah, topmost.
Okay. Dhanyawada. So I think you have people who have this one have saved the link. Please take the link and do the test if you have not completed, if you are unable to complete. Dhanyawada. Thank you for all your cooperation. Dhanyawada.